I was singing a Condor Pasa from Simon Art Garfunkel. I'd rather be. Guys, kanta eh. I'd rather be a sparrow than a snail. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I'd rather be a hammer than a nail. Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would. Ooh, away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that here and gone. The man gets tied up to the ground. He gives the words. His saddest sound. His saddest sound. Ooh.
Sino ba doon sa ilang yun?
Dyan talaga.
Yung tulikod sa UC.
Yan sa'yo sinabi. Yes, I would. If I only could, I surely would. Ooh. Next song. I think I'm doing the song of Rolling Stone as Thirst Goes By. This is old rock songs from 1960s to 70s. Thirst Goes By. It is the ending of the day. I sit and watch the children play. Smiling faces I can see, but not for me. I sit and watch as tears go by. My riches can't buy everything. I want to hear the children sing. Yeah. All I hear is the sound of the rain falling on the ground. I sit and watch the tears go by. Huwag yung ba? Nagkikanta sa YouTube live ba? Namong iubog. Hello, watching from Poland. Shout out, just your band thing. Shout out, guys. John from Live from Germany. It is the ending of the day. Hey, I sat and watched the children play. Hey, and I sat and watched the tears go by. It is the ending of the day, and I sat and watched the children play. Hey, smiling faces I can see, but that won't be. I sat and watched the tears go by. Excuse. Next to sing some Sonor.